In this video, we will highlight 6 crypto altcoins that dropped significantly during the last market crash. These projects have huge potential and will bounce back quickly. This is your chance to make millions if you can purchase these altcoins during this massive crash. Do you want more crypto insights and a fresh perspective on the newest altcoins? Subscribe to my newsletter for free. See the link above or in the description. While you are here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated on all the latest crypto trends. Let's jump right in with our first project we would like to highlight, called ArcBlock. ArcBlock saw a 46% drop in the last 30 days. ArcBlock is a blockchain 3.0 platform designed to simplify DApp development and the creation of custom blockchains for developers. It provides essential components for building blockchain applications, such as flexible SDKs, code packages, developer tools, and services. Additionally, ArcBlock allows for the creation of enterprise-level dApps and custom blockchains based on intricate business rules. ArcBlock's objective is to eliminate barriers that have prevented widespread blockchain adoption. They aim to streamline development and enhance the usability of finished products for both the general public and businesses. ArcBlock's proposed solution is expected to not only simplify dApp development, but also address common blockchain issues like lack of features, poor performance, platform lock-in, high costs, and user unfriendliness. It transcends being just a blockchain to being a platform service, making it more powerful than the typical API set from most blockchain projects. One of ArcBlock's most revolutionary features is the Open Chain Access Protocol. This feature enables connectivity across various blockchain protocols, giving developers the freedom to choose the best platform for their needs. It also utilizes an abstraction layer for development without complexity. Another key component is the blocklet, which leverages serverless architecture to build services and applications. Blocklets are reusable and customizable, providing fast and powerful development within any chosen platform. They are used in the development of smart contracts, resources, and asset handling, among other things. ArcBlock also connects with data sources and performs both on-chain and off-chain computations. If ArcBlock delivers on its promises, it could play a significant role in the blockchain 3.0 technological revolution. ArcBlock currently has a market cap of 200 million. A market cap of 10 billion can be reached in a bull run. That is a solid 50x from here. Project number 2 we would like to highlight is called Swarm Markets. This project saw a 57% drop in the last 30 days. Swarm Markets presents itself as the world's first licensed DeFi platform, regulated by the German Federal Financial Supervisory Authority. This project functions as a compliant AMM-based DEX for Ethereum, targeting both institutions and individual investors seeking a safer way to participate in DeFi. Swarm Markets supports various types of tokens, including crypto assets and tokenized real-world assets. It was an early entrant into the rapidly growing tokenized RWA segment. In 2021, the project announced it was adding up to 250 liquidity providers, who pledged $15 million. It also launched the first version of its DEX on Ethereum. As of 2024, Swarm Markets authorizes many different types of tokens for listing, including tokenized versions of stocks like Apple, Tesla, and Nvidia. So, how does Swarm Markets operate? Automated market makers are a common feature of decentralized exchanges in the DeFi sector. Most of them, like Uniswap, Balancer, or Curve, use AMMs solely for cryptocurrencies and tokens. Swarm Markets, however, targets investors who wish to trade on-chain tokens representing a range of assets, including stocks, bonds, commodities, and more. The underlying AMM operates similarly to Balancer, with liquidity providers contributing ERC20 tokens representing crypto assets or securities to liquidity pools, where they are available for traders wanting to swap these assets. Participation in Swarm Markets requires a passport, a KYC process linked to a self-custodial crypto wallet, such as MetaMask or Ledger. Swarm also offers business accounts for institutional participation and operates a permissionless, decentralized over-the-counter trading service for institutions wanting to execute large on-chain transactions. Due to legal restrictions, Swarm Markets is not available in all countries. It doesn't service US residents, but residents in many European, Asian, and Latin American countries are allowed. SMT currently has a market cap of 30 million. We believe that SMT has the potential to reach a market cap of at least 3 billion in the future. That is a nice 100x from here. Number 3 is a Layer 1 project called Alephium. Alephium dropped 47% in the last 30 days. In the rapidly developing and ever-evolving world of crypto, Alephium stands out as a promising newcomer with a unique approach to scalability and efficiency. This innovative platform, dubbed ALF, brings a fresh perspective to the table, offering a hybrid architecture that artfully combines the robustness of the proof-of-work consensus mechanism with the scalability offered by directed acyclic graphs. The unique nature of ALF's architecture is designed to address and overcome the limitations that plague existing blockchains. By doing so, it enables the creation of a more robust, versatile, and dynamic ecosystem for decentralized applications. This, in turn, opens up a plethora of opportunities for different sectors, ranging from finance to gaming. One of the key advantages of ALF's hybrid architecture is its ability to handle significantly more transactions per second than traditional blockchains. This high-throughput capacity makes it well-suited for applications that require high-volume transactions, such as financial platforms and exchanges. Furthermore, ALF's directed acyclic graph-based architecture eliminates the need for miners to wait for confirmations before adding new blocks. This innovative feature drastically reduces transaction times and boosts overall network efficiency, offering a seamless experience for users and developers alike. Security is a key concern for any decentralized network, and ALF addresses this through its proof-of-work consensus mechanism. ALF's versatility shines in its ability to support the development of new DeFi protocols and applications, facilitating secure and efficient financial transactions. It also provides a secure, scalable platform for creating and trading NFTs, a feature that is particularly relevant in today's digital art and collectibles market. In the world of gaming, ALF can also be used to aid the development of innovative, immersive blockchain-based games, offering gamers an enhanced, transparent experience. Beyond these applications, ALF also has the potential to streamline supply chain operations by offering a secure, transparent record-keeping system. This can improve the traceability and accountability of goods, enhancing consumer trust and efficiency. In conclusion, ALF is a groundbreaking Layer 1 platform that could revolutionize our interaction with decentralized applications. Its hybrid architecture, scalability, efficiency, and security make it an attractive choice for developers and users alike. ALF currently has a market cap of 90 million. We believe the project has got a lot of potential and will hit a market cap of at least 20 billion in a bull run. That is an astonishing 220x from here. As our fourth project, we would like to highlight BitTensor. BitTensor saw a 47% drop in the last 30 days. BitTensor, also known as TAO, is a decentralized network that's designed to connect machine learning models, rather than computers or servers. Think of it as a global brain where each neuron is a machine learning model owned by different people around the world. These models work together to process information and provide intelligent responses, much like how neurons in your brain work together to help you think and make decisions. BitTensor's blockchain is built using the Substrate framework, which is the same technology that underpins Polkadot. Substrate provides the foundational building blocks which can be customized to create a blockchain that meets specific needs. This allows BitTensor to have a blockchain that is optimized for its decentralized machine learning network. BitTensor employs a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, which is different from the proof-of-work mechanism used by networks like Bitcoin. In POS, validators are chosen to create new blocks and confirm transactions based on the number of tokens they hold and are willing to stake as collateral. This is generally more energy efficient than POW. The TAO token is the native cryptocurrency of the BitTensor network and serves several key functions. It incentivizes participants, such as miners who contribute their computational resources for machine learning tasks, by rewarding them with TAO tokens. This reward mechanism promotes the provision of computational power, crucial for decentralized machine learning processes. To become a miner and earn rewards, participants stake TAO tokens. Token holders may propose changes, vote on protocol upgrades, or participate in other decision-making processes. Users needing BitTensor Network's machine learning services may pay for them with TAO tokens, creating a market where tokens can be exchanged for computational work. TAO has the potential to become a significant asset in the growing field of decentralized AI services. This could not only increase the value of TAO as a token, but also establish BitTensor as a key player in shaping the integration of AI and blockchain in the future. BitTensor currently has a market cap of 1.5 billion. Looking at how the project is being handled, a market cap of 40 billion can be reached during the next bull run. That is a 26x from here. Project number 5 is called Clearpool. Clearpool had a 50% decrease in the last 30 days. Clearpool is the first decentralized credit marketplace worldwide, originating hundreds of millions of loans through its DeFi protocols. It operates on various networks, giving investors the freedom to choose the loan requests they wish to fund. Clearpool serves as a bridge between institutional borrowers and lenders. These lenders contribute their digital assets to individual borrower pools. They have full control over the borrower they lend to and their risk exposure, which they can assess by reviewing borrower profiles. Lenders can earn higher interest rates and returns by providing unsecured institutional liquidity to higher-risk borrower pools. To participate with Clearpool as a borrower or lender, users must own C-Pool tokens. Borrowers set up their borrower pool, and financial institutions determine the interest rates for each borrower pool through the Clearpool Oracle network. Lenders can then stake their C-Pool tokens to a specific pool, earning interest on their staked tokens. Clearpool initiates blockchain technology crypto lending by creating single borrower pools. Risks are evaluated based on borrowers' profiles and the credit market, enabling potential lenders to assess the total value potential for their investments. Clearpool launched in early 2022 with 3 liquidity pools from FBG Capital, Wintermute, and Folkwang. In 2024, Clearpool has introduced term pools, credit vaults, a new chain, fintech borrowers, and a new user interface. Looking ahead, its decentralized credit marketplace will further evolve, featuring multi-chain growth, detailed credit report availability, the second version of Clearpool Prime, a new staking model, exchange-traded pools, and other enhancements. Clearpool has a market cap of 75 million right now. A market cap of at least 5 billion in a bull run is doable, and is a 67x from here. As our final altcoin, we would like to highlight another AI project called Atlas Navi. Navi saw a 50% drop in the last 30 days. Navi app utilizes a smartphone's camera and artificial intelligence to analyze road conditions continuously, aiding drivers in avoiding traffic. The application is instrumental in transmitting vital information to other drivers. This in turn aids in the rapid alleviation of road congestion. The app is capable of processing a volume of data that is approximately 100 times more than any other navigation app currently available. This revolutionary technology is built on the robust platform provided by NVIDIA. Navi holds the distinguished title of being the world's first AI system that offers an unparalleled level of compute density, performance, and flexibility. The data center, which is a crucial component of the system, uses inferencing techniques to ingest, curate, and annotate this data. The processed data is then utilized for AI model training. Navi also features a multi-layered approach to security, which ensures that your AI enterprise has the most robust security posture. This approach covers all major hardware and software components, thus providing comprehensive protection. The app's capacity to avoid traffic congestion is superior to any other solution currently available. The application leverages cutting-edge technology, such as machine learning and computer vision neural networks, to interpret the road as seen by smartphone cameras. The Atlas Navi apps have already been developed for both Android and iOS, with 90% of the functionality being available. As a real utility navigation app that relies on AI analysis of video feeds from smartphone cameras, Navi had to ensure that the large amount of data generated by real-time detections of traffic functions flawlessly. Navi currently has a market cap of 20 million. Navi is a unique AI project, and it could reach a market cap of 4 billion during peak bull run. That is a beautiful 200x from here. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and put notifications on to stay updated on all the latest crypto trends.